How to fix Steam stopping and starting download. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you guys have been facing inconsistent download on Steam, this is how you can fix it. First, head over to the application on your PC and click on Steam on the top left, and then go to the settings menu. Once you get to settings, find the download settings from the left side of your screen. Scroll down a bit. So what you're going to have to do is clear cache for your download. But before you do that, make sure that you know the login details of your Steam account, because what it does is it will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will still need to log into Steam again, and if you wish to continue, click on confirm. After doing so, what you can do next is try to go ahead and close down Steam. So go ahead and open Task Manager, right click on it, and then click on Task Manager. Once your Task Manager is open, find Steam here, and then right click on it to end task. And once the Steam is closed, just open up the Steam again. And if you are required to log in, just log into your account. The last method probably works for everyone. What you'll do is go to this PC and then find the disk where your Steam is saved. For me, it's on C drive, so I'm going to right click on it and then go to Properties. And once you get to Properties, go to Hardware. Select the drive where your Steam is saved and then click on Properties. Now from here, you're going to go to Volumes and then click on Populate. And another pop-up will appear on your screen. Now go to Policies and make sure that all of these options are turned off, and then click on OK. So once you've done that, give your PC a quick restart and your Steam download should be working fine again. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.